Hello there, this is Kaur from Speak Smartly with Kaur, and today it's our day 9, and today we are going to have a conversation about my favorite place, like मेरी कौन सी favorite place है और वही conversation आप भी तो करेंगी ना. So stay tuned in this video till the very end because इस वीडियो में मैं कॉन्वर्सेशन करूंगी और आपको भी ये कॉन्वर्सेशन करनी है. सभी कॉन्वर्सेशन को आपको करना है चैट जीपीटी के साथ. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विदाउट स्क्वेंटिंग आवर सिंगल मिनट ऑफ टाइम. कैन वी स्टार्ट आवर कॉन्वर्सेशन एंड कुड यू प्लीज आस्क मी क्वेश्चन?
Of course. Let's begin. Question 1. What is your favorite place and why do you like it?
Well, my favorite place is my home because I feel comfortable here and as well as I live here with my family.
That's a wonderful answer. Just a small refinement. You could say, my favorite place is my home because I feel comfortable here and I live with my family. You did really well. Let's move on to the next question. Question 2. What do you usually do when you are at your favorite place?
Well, usually whenever I'm at my favorite place, so at that time I like to study and I just like to sit with my family whenever I get a chance, and I like to watch TV with them.
That's a great answer. Just a couple of small adjustments. You could say, whenever I'm at my favorite place, I like to study and I also enjoy sitting with my family whenever I get a chance. I love watching TV with them. You did really well. Let's move on to the next question. What makes this place special to you?
Well, as I already told you that I am living here with my family, so my family makes my home special for me because families are that kind of thing which is important in everyone's life. So yeah, it makes my home special for me.
That's a lovely answer. Just a small refinement. You could say, as I mentioned, my family makes my home special because family is very important in everyone's life. That's what makes my home special. You did great. Let's move on to the next question. Do you have any special memories associated with this place?
Yes, there are many memories which are associated with this place. For example, I have finished all of my childhood in my home. I was there with my younger and elder brother. So yeah, I would say that there are many memories which are connected to this place.
That's a beautiful response. Just a slight refinement. You could say, yes, I have many memories associated with this place. For example, I spent my entire childhood here and I shared it with my younger and elder brothers. So there are many special memories connected to my home. You did really well. Let's go ahead and move on to the next question. Question 5. Would you recommend this place to others? Why or why not?
Okay, I just want you to say one thing. Actually, I just want you to ask one thing. I have to say, spent my all childhood here.
Got it. No worries at all. I'll keep that in mind. If you'd like, we can focus on just that detail and refine it further whenever you're ready. Let me know if you want to continue with the conversation or if there's anything specific you'd like to adjust.
Actually, I'm just asking you that what should I say? Should I say I have spent all of my childhood here? Should I say like this?
Yes, absolutely. You can say, I have spent all of my childhood here, and that's perfectly natural and correct. It clearly conveys that you grew up there, and it sounds great. So you can definitely use that phrase.
Okay, could you ask me another question?
Of course. Let's keep going. Question 6. What is one of your favorite memories from your childhood at your favorite place?
Actually, I don't remember perfectly, but once upon a time I was in my 8th standard. So at that time I got first position in my class. So my mom celebrated that moment by cutting a cake. So that was a very best memory in my life.
That's a wonderful memory. Just a small tweak, you could say, I don't remember everything perfectly, but I do recall that when I was in 8th grade, I got first position in my class. My mom celebrated by cutting a cake, and that was one of the best memories of my life. You did really well. Let's move on to the next question. Question 7. How do you feel when you're at your favorite place?
Could you repeat it again?
Of course, here it is again. Question 7. How do you feel when you're at your favorite place? Feel free to share your thoughts whenever you're ready.
I feel very comfortable at my favorite place, and there are many memories which are connected to this place. So whenever I am at my home, I feel so relaxed here, as well as I can I can study here. I can play with my um, play with my siblings here. Like, I can do whatever I want here. It's a kind of my favorite comfort zone.
That's a fantastic answer. Just a small refinement. You could say, I feel very comfortable at my favorite place, and it's full of many memories. Whenever I'm at home, I feel relaxed. I can study here, play with my siblings, and do whatever I want. It's truly my comfort zone. You did really well. Let's move on to the next question. Question 8. What would you say to someone who has never been to your favorite place?
I do not have idea about this question. Could you answer this question?
Of course, I'd be happy to help. If someone had never been to your favorite place, you could say something like, I would tell them that it's a very warm and comforting place filled with happy memories and loved ones. It's a place where you can relax, feel at home, and enjoy spending time with family. That's a great way to convey how special it is. If you have any other questions or need more help, just let me know.
No, thank you for today. And our conversation is very good today. So, thank you for having a conversation with me. And I have improved a lot. Even I am improving myself with you. So, thank you for helping me.
You're very welcome. I'm so glad to hear that you're feeling more confident and that you're improving. It's always a pleasure to help. Whenever you'd like to practice again, just let me know. Have a wonderful day.
ओके गाइज, दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. सो आज हमने हमारी कॉन्वर्सेशन कर ली, हमारी फेवरेट प्लेस के रिलेटेड थी, और कॉन्वर्सेशन बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी गई. तो आप भी ऐसे कॉन्वर्सेशन करिए और मुझे मतलब अपने रिजल्ट्स बताइए कि यस आपने कुछ लर्न किया, आपने कुछ भी लर्न किया, मुझे कमेंट्स में बताइए, ताकि मुझे भी थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस मिले. ठीक है, मैं कॉन्फिडेंट फील करूँ कि यस अगर मैं लर्न कर रही हूँ तो आप भी कर रहे हो. दैट्स वाई आई एम मेकिंग वीडियोज़, ताकि आप भी इन सोर्सेज को यूज़ करो इंग्लिश को लर्न करने के लिए. आप अपने पैसे बर्बाद मत करो. ठीक है, बस आप इन फ्री सोर्सेज से लर्न कर सकते हो. थैंक यू फॉर टुडे. वेलकम.